अस्सलामु अलैकुम। मैं बिल्किस बेगम, मेरी साथी टीचर रफ़िया बेगम टिमरीज़ खैरताबाद गर्ल्स वन में उर्दू असातिज़ा हैं। उर्दू ज़ुबान के फ़रोग़ के लिए हमारे सेक्रेटरी सर बी शफ़ीउल्लाह साहब ने उर्दू ज़ुबान को तालीमी निसाब में शामिल किया है, जिनके हमामने व मशकूर है। टिमरीज़ एक वाहिद सोसाइटी है जहाँ उर्दू ज़ुबान को ज़ुबान अव्वल और ज़ुबान दुव्वम के तौर पर पढ़ाया जाता है। तालीमी निसाब को पढ़ाने के लिए डिजिटल क्लासेस, चार्ट्स, पीपीटी, वीडियोस, कहानियों के ज़रिए, लफ्ज़ साजी के ज़रिए तलबा में ज़ुबान में महारत हासिल करने के लिए, तख्लीक़ी सलाहियत को उभारने के लिए मुकालमे, ड्रामा, मज़मून नवीसी, तहरीरी मुक़ाबले, ग्रूही मुबाहिसे मुनक़्क़िद किए जाते हैं।
सबको मेरा नमस्कार। मैं सुनीता हिंदी अध्यापिका हूँ। आप जानते हैं कि हिंदी राष्ट्रभाषा के साथ साथ राजभाषा भी है। यह अधिक लोग उपयोग करने वाली भाषा है। हमारे पास जो बच्चे हैं उन लोगों के लिए द्वितीय भाषा हिंदी है। हिंदी वह बच्चों के लिए नया है, फिर भी हम लोग हिंदी भाषा को आसान तरीके से समझाने के लिए TLM, वीडियोस, चार्ट्स तैयार करके बच्चों को समझा रहे हैं और बच्चों के द्वारा कहानियों का रोल प्ले प्रदर्शन किया जाता है।
అందరికీ నమస్కారం। నేను పి జపమాల మరియు నా సహ ఉపాధ్యాయురాలు కె స్వాతి గారు ఈ పాఠశాలలో తెలుగు బోధిస్తాము. మా పాఠశాలలో చదివే విద్యార్థులకు భాషా జ్ఞానం పెంపొందించడానికి ప్రతి విషయాన్ని క్లుప్తంగా వివరిస్తూ దృశ్య శ్రవణ మాధ్యమాలు ఉపయోగిస్తూ సబ్జెక్టుకు సంబంధించిన పాఠాలు మాత్రమే కాకుండా నీతి కథలు, నైతిక విలువలు పెంపొందించే చక్కని కథలను చూపిస్తూ విద్యార్థుల సర్వతోముఖాభివృద్ధికి కృషి చేస్తాము.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning to one and all. This is Aisha along with Shirisha and Safia of English faculty at Khairatabad Girls 1. As we all know that in this competitive world, English plays a prominent role. But many students have a phobia to speak in English as they are lagging in communication skills. But our Tamariz has started a new ways of teaching English through Karadi Path, where children enjoy while learning. In addition, students are encouraged to participate in competitions like essay writing, debate, elocutions, role plays, etc. Furthermore, to enhance their speaking and writing skills, we also conduct E+ and AW+ activities every day. Here, we strongly believe in learning by doing, hence with the various activities. Here is a presentation by our student.
Hello everyone, myself Sana Siddiq of 5th grade from Tamariz Khairatabad Girls 1. Today I would like to explain you about gender of nouns. Gender of nouns are of 4 types. They are masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. Let us see first masculine gender. Do you know what is masculine gender? Yes, masculine gender is words used for male animals, boys and men are called masculine gender nouns. Example: king, boy, lion, husband. Coming to next one, feminine gender, words used for female animals, girls and women are called feminine gender nouns. Example: queen, girl, lioness, wife.
Good morning everyone. Myself Navya along with my team Geeta and Prashanti from Maths Department of Tamariz Khairatabad Girls 1. Mathematics provides an effective way of building mental discipline and encourages logical reasoning. Mathematics is a subject which involves brainstorming. Few students find this subject slightly confusing and difficult. Here we make it fun and interesting by conducting maths club activities and also celebrate Maths Day and practice activity-based learning involving the student. Our school also provides a well-equipped mathematical lab where learning becomes an interesting habit. बाहर जाके जीने के लिए मैथ्स बहुत ज़रूरी है। जो चीज़ें मैथ्स में सीखने के लिए मुश्किल है वो इस स्कूल में बच्चे खेलते खेलते सीख लेते। हमारा बच्चों का प्रेजेंटेशंस देखिए। गणित के बिना आप कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते। आपके आसपास सब कुछ गणित है, आपके आसपास सब कुछ नंबर है।
Good evening to the respected principal ma'am and all my teachers. Myself Sana Siddiq of 5th grade from Temris Khairtabad Girls 1. Today I would like to discuss about area and perimeter. Perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but the distance around the outside of a shape.
Hello everyone, I Isha Tabassum along with my science faculty, that is Sandhya PGT Physics and Miss Sangeeta PGT Science, are here to tell the importance of science and scientists in Khairtabad Girls 1. Science opened the door to invention. Science is an important subject in our day-to-day life. Without science, we can't even imagine our life. Science is everywhere. That is from making of car to making of rocket. So, in our Temris, to have a clear idea of the concepts and easy understanding, we teach science with activity-based learning. We have spacious science lab with different chemicals, specimens and models to have a clear understanding of the topic. बच्चों को easy समझ में आने के लिए हम लोग उनको activity-based learning के द्वारा पढ़ाते हैं, जिसमें वो लोग चार्ट्स एक्टिविटीज़ करके अच्छे से समझते हैं. I hear, I forget, I see, I remember, I do and I understand. In addition to this, we even organize science fairs to exhibit the inner hidden talent of the students, as we believe every child is blessed with some talent. Even we organize science club activities in that children can exhibit their talent and make some models, activities which are essential for them.
Assalamu alaikum, namaste to all parents. Welcome to Temris Khairtabad Girls 1. I am Rukhaya along with Krishnaveni from Khairtabad Girls 1 are here to tell you about the importance of social studies in our curriculum. As you all know, social studies is a subject which involves society, socializing with people. In this competitive world, children need to understand the importance of government and its formation, importance of elections and vote, importance of history of our country, religious and cultural traditions and customs of people. Our school provides the best learning platform and gives exposure to all the students on all these aspects. We here impart not only the knowledge in the students but also confidence to speak. Our motto is to provide best quality education with activity-based learning, which involves conducting mock elections and assemblies and give exposure on banking activities. In this pandemic situation also, we are providing best online education a child can ever have. If you are looking for the best school and best education, then this is your opportunity to enroll your child's name in Temris Khairtabad Girls 1 and make their future secure and bright. We are here to welcome all the admissions from 5th to 10th standard in Temris Khairtabad Girls 1.
Good morning everyone, I'm Maunika, working as an art educator in Khairtabad Girls 1. Studying the arts also helps to improve academic performance, not just through creativity, but it improves learning in areas like math and science. Unlike other schools, Temris gives special importance to arts, where our Little Picasso students participate interestingly and come out with creative and innovative ideas and exhibit their creativity in competitions related to arts. Art is not restricted, it is free, it is everywhere, right from the day begins till the day ends. Each and every work is related to art. For example, handloom work, bangles, painting, etc. are related with the artistic and aesthetic sense. So, students' hidden talent can be observed in their artworks. Here are few drawings and paintings done by our students.
Our school has sports and games along with other objects. Every day morning exercise for students is compulsory. In our school, our students are participated in district and state sports competitions. We are proud to say that many of our students have silver medal, gold medal and bronze medals, also cash prize, district level and state level competitions.